Hi friends, Ms.Bianca here. So, this week we're talking all about the weather. You know, rain, sun, wind, snow, and even rainbows. For today's project, we're going to make some rain clouds and some rain. Ready? Okay. But first, all you'll need is some blue paint, some cotton balls, some glue, and some craft paper. Alright, let's get started. First, I'm going to glue on my cotton balls. Spread the glue around. Maybe I'll make a shape like that. Right? And once you get the glue on paper, you can start putting on your cotton ball clouds. Like so. Clouds, raindrops, like so. Add some drops of blue water to the clouds. That was fun. I can't wait to see yours.